What's good, YouTube? This is Walker Trees back with another video. As you can see, it is early as hell in the morning. It's about 6:52 in the morning. I'm about to be on my way to Juliet with one of my guys that's gonna be helping me doing my stars. So yeah, and then I'm about to get gas too, cause I have 30 fucking miles.
Broke nigga alert.
Locked in, tapped in. Come here, baby, what's happening? Post up, look like Batman. Simmer drink, look like a fat man.
Alright, y'all boys, so I literally just bought in Joliet. You see, in the middle of, I don't even know where the fuck. I'm about to pull up on one of my guys that's helping me do my stars. So I'll just get to y'all when I get there. Looking at it. Alright, so we pulling up on that nigga right now.
Destination is on your right.
Yo,
What up, gang?
what's going on?
This bitch clean.
Thank you, bro.
Got that vlog camera.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Where you want me to park at?
Parking in the back.
Backwards?
You think it's gonna be easy?
Shit.
Or backward, don't matter.
Pause. Alright, YouTube, so we about to start taking out my headliner because I'm finna paint this motherfucker black. That tan is not gonna do it at all. It isn't. You think I should keep it tan or black? Black? Yeah, for sure. So we finna be using this vinyl and fabric right here. So, yeah. Alright, YouTube, so we just took out the mirrors and whatever the fuck. Now he's taking the pillars off. And then, yeah, I'll just update y'all. Alright, YouTube, so I'm gonna start painting the first pillar or whatever. I don't feel like masking it up. Well, I actually ran out of masking tape and I'm not gonna run nowhere. So I'm just gonna paint these with no masking tape, so. Yep. All right, first coat, so I'm gonna let this one dry. It didn't go to the next one. Yeah. All right, y'all boys. So we just took the seats. Well, he took the seats out. I ain't did shit but paint over there. But look at my inside, bro. God damn. My bad. My camera died. So, bro, look at the inside, bro. This shit is bogus, bro. This is not for me. So do not get on my ass. Do not. Ooh, a peppermint. Yeah. Bro, look at the other side. Gosh. Damn. This shit is bad. What in the fuck? What moisture is this in here? Fuck. Hell yeah, I'm gonna need that vacuum, gang. Now, I just painted all of the, this is all of the passenger side right here. We got the rest of the fucking, shit right here. Here's the front. I'm about to do the rest of this. Look, just get like the finishing touches, like the edges and shit. Then, I'm gonna move on to the driver's side, so, yeah. Alright, y'all boys, so we just got the headliner out. Oh, they did. I ain't do nothing. And I don't know how this come out. I don't know. I'll probably just have to leave that. I don't know. Yeah. All we gotta do.
Speak to these.
You know as a YouTuber?
Who, you?
Yeah. Can you guess how many subscribers I got?
What?
Guess.
Was that 2,000?
Nope.
More.
5?
Nope.
More.
10?
Yeah.
Hey, you know I'm rockin', hey. Rolled up looking like a Batman in. Whooped up looking like Batman in. Hey, fuck. Hey, slide down with that.
Alright, so we finna start painting the headliner. And it don't matter that overspray is getting on the headliner anyway, because it's literally about to get painted. So yeah, let me turn this shit off before I get copyrighted, gang.
Money coming faster. I am not a rapper. Hang around them trappers. Lying ass nigga be hanging around them cappers. Got a problem, let me know. I got a bubble vest on, I can't lie, it's kinda cold. Lil' hoe got some neck on her. I just run them digits up, she got a nigga with a check on her. Say something out my mouth, I got the girls, that's how I flex on them. I got hella shots with me, yeah, that you gon' step on. I'm gon' pull me up a cup, so I'm feeling lit right now. Yeah, I'm off the drugs right now, going up.
Baby, what you want? The car start up with a button. She giving me top, grab a button. My nigga got shot, I was numb. If we kiss that way out, then he done.
Alright, YouTube, so we got the headliner down. Well, not down officially, but painted black. Now we're gonna test, see if the Starlights work. Man, imagine these don't work. The truth. It kind of this screws on. Yep. Camera can't see. But yeah, yep, it's flowing. All the way down to the tips. Pause. Right. Now we about to poke holes in the headliner. So I'll just record that process. Yeah. Alright, YouTube, so we gonna put our 200. This don't even look like 200. Man. Yeah, y'all see it. Alright, YouTube, we got most of the stars in. I don't know what to get. I just met this guy. How long ago? 2 hours ago?
3 hours ago?
Yeah. Pretty bad.
No, LeVar said that.
Bro, if it's turned on, plug it in, you fat ass.
LeVar was there the day I had my last seizure.
Oh yeah.
Is it on?
Yeah, look over here, look.
Oh, look at the ones he cut already.
Hey, turn it on. See right here?
Shit.
Struggling. He's not good with one hand.
Imagine a
Those
bunch
gotta be a little
of...
bit. We can cut those a little bit shorter. So once we find some scissors or something.
I got scissors,
My
bro.
scissors are working.
Oh, you didn't cut them shorter, or what did you use to cut
Oh,
that?
I'm not cutting them yet.
You told him to not cut him until
you
you
said, yeah, you said don't cut. Jay.
Are you gluing that one?
Damn.
Damn, this bitch hard.
I just gave attitude for no reason.
I'm sorry.
I was talking to Jay's black ass.
Man, I'm finna turn gay.
What the fuck?
Alright, man, stars are done. So, I'm finna show y'all.
Popped out with a nigga on me today, that's light shit. You can do that when you poppin'. You know, long that inside T ain't got no lights, so fuck is the point of me stopping?
Oh, this bitch crazy, gang. Oh. Let me just go this damn seat back. Fuck. I'll just pulling the bitch back.
Are you talking about that alarm?
No, I was pulling my seat back. I was tweaking. I got. these lights turn on?
Yeah, that's crazy.
All right, young man.
Alright, man.
All right, man. I'm gonna have to come back one day for sure.
For sure, you let me know, man. Get that takeoff.
What the fuck is that water bottle? Hey, bro, take that water bottle off.
Let's get that takeoff.
All right. You guys have a good life. I don't even know where the fuck I'm going. But yeah, these stars hard as fuck. Now I got a fucking 2-hour drive home, bro. It looked good though.